If you're seeing Microsoft Edge Update Error Code 7, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that can help you get Edge updating properly again. We'll go through changing the Microsoft Edge installation from Control Panel, manually reinstalling Edge, and then checking whether your antivirus is temporarily blocking the update. This is a very common issue, and the good news is that it can usually be fixed without advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's jump right in. First, open the Control Panel on your Windows computer. The easiest way to do this is to click the Start menu, type Control Panel, and open it from the results. Once Control Panel is open, go to Programs, and then click on Programs and Features. This is where you can manage installed applications on your system. Now look through the list and find Microsoft Edge. If you see it there, right-click on it and choose the option to change or modify Microsoft Edge. Depending on your version of Windows, this may appear as Change, Modify, or a similar option. The goal here is to trigger a repair or update-related action for Edge. After that, follow any prompts that appear on the screen. If Windows asks for confirmation, go ahead and allow it. In many cases, this process will repair the existing Edge installation and resolve the update problem automatically. If the error still appears, the next step is to manually reinstall Microsoft Edge. This is one of the most effective ways to fix Update Code 7 because it replaces damaged files and gives you a fresh installation. To manually reinstall Edge, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft Edge download page. Make sure you are using the official Microsoft site so you avoid unsafe downloads. Download the latest version of Edge for your system and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions and let the installation complete. If Edge have already installed, the installer will usually repair or replace the current version rather than creating a conflict. Once the setup finishes, restart your computer and then try opening Microsoft Edge again to see if the update error is gone. If you still run into the same issue, the final thing to check is your antivirus software. Sometimes antivirus programs can temporarily block Edge updates or interfere with the installer. To test this, temporarily pause your antivirus protection. The exact option will depend on which antivirus app you use, but it is usually found in the main dashboard or protection settings. Pause it only for a short time while you test the Edge update. Once paused, try updating or launching Edge again and see if the error disappears. If the update works while your antivirus is paused, then you know the security software was the cause. In that case, you may need to add Microsoft Edge to the antivirus exceptions list or adjust the protection settings so it does not block future updates. Just remember to turn your antivirus back on as soon as you are done testing. Keeping your device protected is important. So to recap, the main fixes for Microsoft Edge Update Error Code 7 are opening Control Panel and changing or repairing Edge, manually reinstalling Microsoft Edge, and temporarily pausing your antivirus to check for interference. One of these steps usually solves the issue and gets Edge updating normally again. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Windows troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.